Perfect. Here's how to sprout chana, whole chickpeas or Bengal gram, at home. How to sprout chana, gram. You'll need whole chana, black gram, Bengal gram, not split or polished, a bowl, a strainer or colander, a muslin cloth or sprouting jar, and clean water. Step 1. Clean and rinse. Pick out any stones or damaged grains. Rinse thoroughly with clean water 2 to 3 times. Step 2. Soak overnight. Place the rinsed chana in a bowl and cover with plenty of water, about 3 times the volume. Soak for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. They'll swell up. Step 3. Drain and rinse. After soaking, pour the chana into a strainer and rinse again. Drain out all excess water to prevent spoilage. Method 1. Cloth method. Place drained chana in a clean damp muslin or cotton cloth. Tie loosely so air can pass, and keep in a warm, dark place for 12 to 18 hours. Method 2. Jar method. Put drained chana in a wide-mouthed jar. Cover with muslin. Keep the jar tilted to drain, and store in a dark, warm place for 12 to 18 hours. Step 5. Check and rinse. After 12 to 18 hours, you should see small white sprouts. For longer sprouts, rinse and drain again, and keep for another 8 to 12 hours. Step 6. Store. Once sprouted, transfer to a container and refrigerate. They'll stay fresh for 3 to 4 days. How to eat sprouted chana. Raw, in a sprout salad with onion, tomato, lemon, salt and chili. Lightly boiled, cooked in curries, soups or pulao, or roasted with spices for a crunchy snack. Tips for success. Keep the cloth just damp, not wet, to avoid mold. Ideal temperature is 25 to 30 degree, 77-86 degree. If it's cold, place near a warm appliance. Rinse daily until ready to use.